Lucro is the only software solution dedicated to help run small businesses, which provides the very latest in powerful artificial intelligence technology, totally free to all users. Lucro firmly believes that small and micro businesses can benefit most from what AI technology can deliver, which is why we insist it should be provided for free. In this video, we want to show you some simple and practical examples of just how easy it is to use AI with Lucro, so you can see how you can use it on a daily and weekly basis to assist you in your workload. Okay, so let's now get started. Let's firstly log in to our Lucro portal. Once logged in, now click on the AI link on the main menu. This will now open up our AI tool in a new tab for your convenience. Okay, let's now give the AI our first prompt to tell it what we want it to do for us. So in this first example, we're a window cleaning business and wish to make our social media followers aware of 20% discount off all window cleans in July. For this, we shall therefore give the AI the following command, which we insert into the prompt box at the bottom of the page, and then just hit enter, so it will then generate it for us. As you can see, it has instantly generated fantastic wording for our Facebook post in just seconds. How easy was that? Okay, example 2. In this second example, we're a plumbing firm and we wish to remind our customers on social media to book their gas safety inspections early. For this, we shall give the AI the following command. As you can see, it has instantly generated great content for our Twitter post. Finally, example 3. In this example, we're a small catering firm and we need help from the AI to write the wording for a flyer to send to local businesses, making them aware of our services. For this, we shall give the AI the following command. As you can see, within seconds, the AI has composed fantastic wording for us to use. We can now simply cut and paste this into Word to then personalize the AI-generated contents with our own company name and more specific range of services that we wish to promote, etc. Hopefully these 3 examples have now shown you firstly, just how simple the Lucro AI tool is to use, and secondly, how beneficial AI can be in your small business to complete those time-consuming and frustrating jobs with ease. Lucro are here to help you every step of the way on your business journey, so if you need any assistance, just reach out to our online support team